Hello, my name is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this broadcast, which is on detox. And this is step 2 in the process. So in the first video on the detox sequence, I mentioned basically getting rid of the sources of toxins before you get started, so that when you come back to your usual life, that you're not pumping more toxins into your body again. So the second step is that while you're in the process of the so-called detox, where you're attempting to get your body cleansed of the toxins that are there, my recommendation is that you focus on things that have been missing. So in this area, we're going to talk about the macros. So what are the macros? That means the fats, the proteins, and the carbohydrates. Now, the area that people have been missing the most are in the fats. They consume a lot of the wrong fats and miss the essential fats. So this brief video is the scope of answering what are the how to eat healthy fats is way beyond this brief video. But the point that I want to make the point I want to make on this video is that most people consume way too little in the form of the omega-3 essential fatty acids, and they consume too many of the omega-6 fatty acids, but the ones they do consume are damaged. So they consume way too little of the omega-6 fatty acids that are healthy also. So omega-3 refers to a family of fats that are used by the body to build our cells, but also to create other crucial nutrients. And we call them essential because your body cannot make them, and without them, your body is forced to plug other nutrients into the places where it would want to use those fats. So the essential fatty acid omega-3, the best sources of it are different kind of seeds, especially flaxseed and chia seed. You can get them from some of the nuts, but most people will be more successful in getting enough of the omega-3 that they need from the seed sources. And that's what I recommend to my patients on a regular basis for long-term strategies, not just for the time of the so-called detoxification. So simple way to do this is to make a smoothie that has ground up flaxseed. It's best to grind it up just before you eat it, because if it's been ground up and sitting on a shelf for a while, it's lost a lot of its nutrient source. So the essential fatty acid that we're talking about in this case is called alpha-linolenic acid. It's abbreviated ALA. That's one of the crucial macros that you're trying to put into your diet so that your body has what it needs to make itself work better. The second essential fatty acid is linoleic acid. That's from primarily, you're going to find that in nuts and in avocados. And having plenty of those sources while you're going through this detox process is going to help your body get back to a better way of doing its own chemistry. Now, it somewhat depends on whether your detox process is going to include a lot of fasting or no fasting at all. And because there are so many different ways to go about detoxifying, the main point here is what you are consuming needs to be an effort to replace the macros with good macros that you've been missing in the first place. And that this becomes a long-term strategy then. This isn't a short-term strategy to, for a while, have the good fats in, and then when you're done with all this, stop eating the good fats. So in summary, the step 2 is to getting the macros right in the detox process. And the ones that are missed the most are these essential fatty acids, omega-6 and omega-3. One more word. Fish oil is not an essential fatty acid. It is omega-3, but it's not an essential fatty acid. The body can use it in a lot of different ways, but it needs this ALA, this product from flaxseed or chia seed. So I wish you well, God bless, and have a great day.